Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Lil Petey from Dogman. So first we're going to get started with the eyes, so coming further over to the left hand side of our page. For our left eye, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. And then we're going to leave a gap coming across on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. In the center now, moving down, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then moving in towards the top, we're going to replicate that smaller for the highlight. Let's draw in a straight line that comes down on the bottom. And then from here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now for the corner of the mouth on both sides, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. Let's draw in the shape of the head now. So coming over from the nose, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. Closing off the top of the head on the side now from that point, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. Starting back on the top now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the right. And then again, closing this off, we're just going to start back on the side, curving this line around, blending that back in together on our line on the bottom. Let's draw on the eyebrows now. So on both sides, we're just going to draw on a small curved line that comes down. For the ears on the top, on the right, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. We'll do the same as we move across on the left. Now from that point, we're just going to bring another diagonal line that comes down towards the top of the head. Now as we move over on the right, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then we're going to come across on a diagonal on the right, drawing in another one. And then we'll do the same as we move down on the left-hand side as well. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in 3 diagonal lines that come out for the whiskers. Moving directly underneath now, let's draw in the torso. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back up on the right. Let's draw in a curved line on the top. Moving down, leaving a gap, we're going to replicate that. And then leaving another gap, let's replicate that one more time. Now from here in the middle for the feet, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On both sides, let's curve this line around and then in for the foot. And then from that point, just bringing in a straight line that comes up towards the top. From the corner, we're going to curve this line all the way across and over on the right-hand side. Now let's draw on our arms. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in for the hand. And then from that point again, we're just going to curve this line across. Now as we move up, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the side. We're going to move up again, leaving in a small gap and replicating that. And then again, as we move further in towards the top. Now let's move across and draw on the tail. So we're going to curve this line down, up, and then over. And then starting on the top, we're going to replicate that again, bringing that up, curving this around, bringing that back in on our bottom line. And then just like we did in the body, we're going to draw in some curved lines as we come all the way across on our tail. And that is it. That's how you draw Lil Petey from Dogman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.